time to start doing some reassembly. We're gonna try and get the radiators and a whole bunch of stuff back on the bike now that we got the plastic cleaned up, so we can really get moving along. All right, guys, so we've got a couple of bolts here that hold this onto the breather box. They were really rusty, so we just sanded them up with the Scotch-Brite pad, a little bit of sandpaper. Now we're going to throw on a little bit of primer and then some black spray paint. So basically, nothing makes a bike look better than a new set of tires and changing your vent lines. Like, look at these crusty old vent lines that came off the carb. And we're gonna switch them all out. Some brand new, nice pink vent lines. It's gonna really put this build back together. One thing to note, guys, if you do buy vent hose for your carb to make your build look better, the sizing is different for the from your normal vent lines to this one underneath on the TMX carbs and some of the Keenan carbs, or Keen or whatever. They change. So this one already cut to length. The company sent me. It's a sample. Now I did buy a bunch more of it because it's really good. But that way, all the lines are there. You know, perfect. We've got a pile of hose just laying all up, bundled up in here. We don't want that. There's actually a little clip that they go under. So we're gonna pull this one up out of the way for a minute. Start running them under there and getting them down between the swing arm. All right, we'll bring the subframe around. This one's always the fight. So we're swapping our levers to a little bit different style of a fold-away lever. Nothing too crazy, but they'll just help make the bike look a lot nicer. The perch is still good on this bike, so we're going to use it. And one thing I like to do is grease the pivot bolt. It just helps, you know, obviously with wear. So we're just going to grease up the bolt a little bit on the connecting surface, just a little bit of grease. Put a little bit of grease in here. We'll put our new breakaway lever in. A lot nicer looking than the lovely silver one.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough.
Well guys, the plastic's on the bike, seat cover's on. The exhaust is not on yet. We're still waiting on some stuff to come in, some OEM stuff from Honda, so we can get it fully redone and ready to go. But that'll be another one. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Play the game, bro.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it.